Hello, my friends. It is Fold It Club time. And let me just tell you, when I designed this bird, the first word that came to my mind was sassy. I just feel like she is so sassy. So she is a sassy bird. Fold it. Now, with our Fold It Club, not only do you get the die set, look at this, you guys. Not only do you get the die set, but you are also getting a freebie. Now, I cannot show you the freebie because I get in trouble when I do that. But let me just tell you, it goes perfectly with this die set. That's all I'm gonna say. Also, you get, of course, your handy dandy postcard that gives you all the information and some awesome ideas. And of course, there's more ideas on our website. Then you are getting 2 stencils. Now, this stencil is called our wonky rectangle, and it is like the perfect background stencil. It's fun because it's big enough that you can do different colors if you want to, like this, or you could do all one color, and I have lots of samples to share with you. The second 5x7 stencil you're getting is really fun because it is here to let us stencil on our bird. So we etched the bird so you'll know exactly where to place it, and then you can do some different blending on its head. You can have it have a talk bubble, you can have it say hello, tweet, or home, and these fun patterns on our bird. Now, let's jump in and look at our samples because let me just tell you, these are exciting. One thing I need to tell you beforehand though, this is only available to our Fold It Club members. Are you not in the club? If you are not in the Fold It Club, you cannot purchase this sassy bird. Just a heads up. So you must join the Fold It Club. If you're not already in, you must join now to get in before the month is over, because once the month is over, it goes into the vault. And then you're gonna be sad. So join ASAP to make sure you get in on this cute girl. Now, look how adorable she is. Isn't that fun? I'm telling you, she has so much sass. It's so awesome. Now, if you like shaped cards, perfect. If you want to put her on a 5x7 card, perfect. Look at that cute, you are tweet. Now, look at that background there. That is your wonky rectangle. Isn't that fun? This is on a 5x7. Also, she fits perfectly on an A2. Now, I know I keep calling her a girl bird, but you could easily make her a boy bird as well. But again, there's that fun wonky stencil. And here is the fun little fur, the little patterns on the little bird herself. Now, let's look at our other samples. Michelle made a cute little stuffy. Isn't that adorable? Here's a cute yellow one. It looks like Tweety Bird, doesn't it? Doesn't it totally remind you of Tweety Bird? So cute. Hello there. With felt as the feather. I love it, love it, love it. Here's a cute one with a little bow on her tail. So adorable. Cute little card. Oh, here's a fun one with extra flowers. Now this one's also using the flower, vine, and grid set and the slimline box die flowers. And look at how cute that is. I love it. Now, oh, and I love this one because it looks like she's walking on the sidewalk, right? Doesn't that look cute? I love it. Tweet. So adorable. Love it. And then we're going to open it up and look at that. Now, the sun is from the Steffi Doll the Steffi Doll 5. Just a heads up on that one. Now, club members, you're guaranteed to get this. So you can sit back, relax, and know that it's soon going to be on its way to you. If you are not in the Fold It Club, my friends, get in now to get in on this bird, because once the month is over, you cannot get her and you're going to be sad. You're going to be missing out on this adorable, sassy bird. I just love that. Sassy bird. So, club members, don't worry, it's going to be on its way to you ASAP. If you're not in the club, get in now. If you join today, you get a free bonus die set for joining, and you get a 15% discount off of our entire website every single day, every single order, every single item. Well, wait, does that include secret weapons? Yes. Does that include everything behind me? Yes. Well, I guess you can't buy this sign, but other than that, yes, it absolutely positively does. So go to our website, thestampsoflife.com, and if you're watching this on YouTube, make sure you click that subscribe button because you want to be informed anytime we release a new video or when we go live. Thanks so much. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye. Now, make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're going to love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.